Welcome to Section 1. Understanding the present continuous. In this section, we will delve into the nuances of the present continuous tense, a fundamental aspect of English grammar that helps us describe actions happening right now or around the current time. The present continuous tense describes actions happening at the moment of speaking. This means any action that is currently in progress, such as I am eating breakfast or she is reading a book. For example, I am talking on the phone. This indicates that the action of talking is happening right now, as we speak. It also covers actions around the present time, like, I'm studying English these days. This suggests that the action is ongoing, though not necessarily happening at this exact moment. This tense is versatile for temporary situations and actions in progress. For instance, I am packing boxes for a temporary move implies that the action is happening over a period of time, but is not permanent. Examples include, I am living in London, which indicates a temporary stay rather than a permanent residence. The traffic is getting worse, shows a gradual change happening over time, and the weather is changing, which can describe a shift in weather patterns that is currently taking place. Use it to convey immediacy, like, I am cooking dinner, which tells us that the action is happening right now, or I am watching a movie, indicating that the person is engaged in the activity at this moment. Mastering this tense enhances your communication skills. Being able to accurately describe ongoing actions helps in making your conversations more precise and engaging. Consistent practice is key to using it naturally. Writing sentences, speaking with others, and thinking in the present continuous can help solidify your understanding. With time, you'll use the present continuous effortlessly. Whether in casual conversations or formal settings, this tense will become a natural part of your speech, allowing you to express ongoing actions and temporary situations with ease. Moving on to Section 2, building sentences in present continuous. The structure is subject plus auxiliary verb, be, plus present participle, ing form. Examples, I am walking, she is reading, they are playing. For negatives, add not after be. I am not walking, she isn't reading. Questions invert the subject and be, am I walking, is she reading? Use question words, what are you doing? Where is he going? Practice with different subjects and verbs to solidify understanding. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Master these rules to confidently construct sentences. And now, Section 3, conjugating verbs in the present continuous. Add ing to the base form, walk becomes walking. Drop the e for verbs like write, writing. Double the final consonant for CVC patterns. Stop becomes stopping. Irregular verbs have unique forms. Go becomes going. Learn these as you encounter them. Use auxiliary verbs. I can be studying. He should be working. These structures add complexity to your sentences. Practice with different verbs to internalize rules. Create examples or use flashcards for irregular forms. Consistent practice is key to mastering conjugation. Section 4. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Don't use present continuous for general truths. I like pizza, not I am liking pizza. Use it for temporary actions. He goes to work by bus, not he is going to work by bus. Always include the auxiliary verb be. She is reading, not she reading. Ensure subject-verb agreement. I am going, not I are going. Be aware of these errors to avoid them. Regular practice helps internalize correct grammar. Improve fluency by avoiding common mistakes. Section 5. Practicing the present continuous tense. Consistent practice is essential. Describe your daily routine or current actions. Watch videos or listen to podcasts to identify the tense. Practice with a language partner or tutor. Write short paragraphs or dialogues using the tense. Read your writing aloud to spot errors. Integrate grammar practice into daily life for fluency. Section 6. Mastering the present continuous, your path to fluency. Mastering this tense is crucial for fluency. Practice and exposure help internalize rules. Use it in daily conversations and writing. Mistakes are learning opportunities. Seek feedback to refine usage. Embrace the learning process and celebrate achievements. Each step brings you closer to your language goals.